my dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about a nomenclature of hydrocarbon. Okay, nomenclature of hydrocarbon. Okay, just we can revise. We already discussed in live class alkane, alkynes. Just revise that one. Okay, see alkane, alkane, alkene, alkane. So alkyne. Okay, alkyne. Alkanes single bond. Alkenes double bond. Alkynes triple bond. Okay, that means all the carbon and hydrogen, it is connected with the single covalent bond. Alkanes, any two carbon is connected with the double bond. Other bonds is connected with the single bond. Alkynes, any two carbon is connected with the triple bond. Other carbon is connected with the single covalent bond. Okay, its general formula CnH2n plus 2. Here CnH2n, here CnH2n minus 2. Okay, CnH2n plus 2. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n, and alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Okay. If one carbon is present in the hydrocarbon, one carbon is present in the hydrocarbon, the name is start with the meth. Okay. If two carbon is the yet. Okay. 3 carbon means that prop. Okay, 4 carbon is present in that hydrocarbon. We can call that start with bute. Okay, 5 carbon pent. Okay, 6 carbon hex. Okay, and 8 carbon hept. Okay, up to pent is enough. Okay, so 1 carbon is that meth. If all the hydrocarbon, all the bonds is connected with a single covalent bond, so we can add here ANE. Okay, then here ANE, here ANE, here ANE, here ANE. Okay, if any two carbon is connected with double bond. Okay, double bond is the methane is not the, so ethane. Okay, eth plus ene, prop plus ene. Okay, bute plus ene, butene, pent plus ene, pentene. Okay, and any two carbon is connected with a triple covalent bond. Other bonds is connected with the single covalent bond. So we can start. If 2 carbon is there, here also methane is not there, 2 ethane. And so 2 carbon is there in that compound. We can, if there is all the bonds is connected with a single covalent bond, so ethane. Any 2 carbon is connected with a double bond, so ethene. And any 2 carbon is connected with ethyl. And in that compound, 2 carbon only is there, so we can call that one ethyne. Okay, 3 carbon is there in that compound, so we can call propyne. Okay, this is butane, this is pentane. Okay, is it clear now? So next, how we can draw the structure of ethane, methane, propane, like that. Okay, first alkanes. Okay, methane. First one is methane, that means meth means in that compound how many carbon? 1 carbon. Okay, it's ANE. ANE means all the bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. We know atomic number of carbon is 6. Its electronic configuration 2,4. So 4 is the valency of carbon atom. Okay, so it is connected with 4 electron in their outermost shell. It is connected with hydrogen. Okay, alkane, alkene, alkynes are hydrocarbons. Okay, these are the hydrocarbons. So we can connect it with the hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number 1. Here also one hydrogen. Here also one hydrogen. Here also one hydrogen. It's combined. Okay, they share the pair of electrons. Okay, to form CH. Okay. this way. That means carbon is connected with a single covalent bond. How many bond is there? 4 covalent bond is there. 4 is the valency of carbon, so 4 single covalent bond is there. Okay, dear children, is it clear now? This is the structure formula of methane. Okay, condensed formula CH4. Okay, then ethane. Ethane. Eth, how many carbon? 2 carbon. Ane, that is all the bonds is connected with single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is connected with a hydrogen. This is the structural formula of ethane. Condensed formula CH3, CH3. Okay, this carbon is connected with 3 hydrogen. This carbon is connected with 3 hydrogen. So CH3, CH3. Okay, dear children, so we can draw the ethene. Ethene. Eth, how many carbon? 2 carbon. 1, 2. It is connected with double bond. Okay, double bond. All other bonds is connected with single bond. Okay, already this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is connected with a hydrogen. Okay, you can draw this bond upper side also, no problem. Okay, so the condensed formula CH2 double bond CH2, or you can write CH2 double bond CH2. This is the better method. Okay, so CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethane. So how we can draw the ethyne? How we can draw ethyne? Ethyne. Eth, how many carbon? 2 carbon. It is connected with triple covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3. All other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is ethyne. CH triple bond CH. This is the condensed formula. Okay, dear children, is it clear now? Okay, then next one is propane. How to draw the propane? Propane, propene, propine. Okay, propane. 1, 2, 3. How many carbon? Prop means in that compound. How many carbon? 3 carbon is there. All the bonds is connected with single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so carbon balance is correct. Then it is connected with hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen. So this is the structural formula of propane. Then condensed formula. This carbon, it is connected with 1, 2, 3 hydrogen CH3. Okay, single bond here CH2, here CH3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the condensed formula. Then how we can draw the propene? Okay, how many carbon? Prop means 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. Okay, E means any 2 carbon is connected with a double bond. Other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. So you can put the double bond here or here. Anywhere you can draw. Okay, 2 method I will show you. So here, double bond. Okay, double bond. All other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. So this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here all down you can draw the hydrogen. Okay, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the one method. Okay, dear children, other way we can draw 1, 2, 3. Okay, this carbon, in between these 2 carbon we can draw the double bond. Okay, then other bonds is connected with single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now CH3, CH, double bond, CH2. This one how we can write? CH2 double bond CH, single bond CH3. Both are propene. Okay, both are propene. Is it clear? No? Then propyne. How many carbon? Proper. 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3. In between, any two carbon is connected with a triple covalent bond. Here or there you can draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the structural formula of propyne is like this way. Okay. Then condensed formula, how we can write a CH triple bond C CH3. This is the condensed formula of propyne. Is it clear? No? Similarly, please you do butene, butane, butene and butane. Okay? And pentene, pentane and pentane. Okay, dear children? Next is nomenclature. That is IUPAC. Okay, IUPAC means that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That we discussed in the live class. Okay, then nomenclature we get this also discussed in live class. Just rewind that one. Okay, root word. That word means a longest carbon chain. First, we need to find out which one is the longest carbon chain. That is root word. Then suffix means the end of that name. We add a, ena, and yna. Okay, then prefix means alkyl or functional group is attached in the hydrocarbon. So we need to position of that. Okay, in which position that alkyl or functional group is attached in that longest carbon chain. That also we need to mention. Okay, that is root word, suffix and prefix. Okay, clear, dear children? Is you write a 2-methyl propane. 2-methyl propane. Okay, 2-methyl propane. How we can draw the structural formula of this compound? Prop. This is the root word. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All the bonds is connected with a single covalent bond because propane, ane. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We know the carbon valence is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in second position, this is the prefix. Okay, second position of which group is there, which alkyl group is there? That is methyl group is there. Methyl group is CH3. Methyl group is CH3. Second position 1, 2. Or this way, okay, 1, 2. Same position only. Okay, second position is like this way. This one, this carbon is the second position. Okay, so CH3 is there. Okay, other bonds is connected with hydrogen. This is the structural formula of 2-methyl propane. Condensed formula CH3 CH CH3 CH3. Okay, CH3. This carbon is connected with 3 hydrogen and this carbon is connected with hydrogen is there, and branched chain alkyl group is there, and then CH3. Okay, this is the structural formula and condensed formula of 2-methyl propane. Okay, dear children. Then write the next question. Okay, 2-methyl butane. Butane. Okay, 2-methyl butane. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the bonds is connected with single covalent bond. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1, 2, 4. Okay, so then this is the butane part is over. Then 2-methyl. In second position, we need to put the 2-methyl. Which one is the second position? If we count from here 1, 2. This is the second position. Okay. If we count from here 1, 2. This is the second position. Okay, anywhere you can put the methyl group. If we count 1, 2, this is the second position. So we can draw here CH3. All other bonds is connected with single bond with a hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen. How we can count the second position means if alkyl group is attached with a this carbon. Okay, this carbon, second position. How we can confirm that is the second position? Because we can split into two here. Left side count. Okay, left side how many carbon is there? One carbon is there. Okay, in right side how many carbon? One, two. Two carbon is there. Which side less number of carbon? This side. So this side onwards we can count. Okay, so 1, 2, second position CH3. എപ്പോഴും നിങ്ങൾ മാക്സിമം ലെഫ്റ്റ് നിന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുക. റൈറ്റ് നിന്ന് വരുന്ന സാഹചര്യ സിറ്റുവേഷൻസ് ഇസ് ദ ഓക്കെ. റൈറ്റിൽ നിന്നും കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡ്രോ ചെയ്യാൻ എളുപ്പം. ഓക്കെ, ലെഫ്റ്റിൽ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ, so next question we can do that. Next question, 2,3 dimethyl butane. 2,3 dimethyl butane. Okay, 2,3 dimethyl butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but ane, all the bonds is connected with a single covalent bond for 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon already 1 is the 2, 3, 4. Okay, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon 1 is the 2, 3, 4. Okay, then position. Okay, from this side or that side you can count. Okay, so here from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position. Okay, second position ilum. Then third position ilum. ആരുണ്ട്? methyl group ഉണ്ട്. In that compounds how many methyl group? Dimethyl means 2 methyl is there. Dimethyl means 2 methyl group is there. In which position? Second position and third position. Okay, so second position la 1 CH3 methyl group is there. In third position also 1 methyl group is there. Totally dimethyl. 2 methyl is in the compound. Okay, so other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond with a hydrogen. Okay, this is the structural formula of 2,3 dimethyl butane. Condensed formula CH3 CH CH3 CH CH3. Okay, CH3. This is the condensed formula. Okay, is it clear now? Okay, next question. Okay, write the IUPAC name of this compound. Write the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, how we can find out the IUPAC name? First you find out longest carbon chain. This only here only 2 carbon is there, so this is the longest carbon chain. So how many carbon is there? 2 carbon. So eighth. Okay, eighth. It is connected with a single covalent bond, so ANE, ethane. So ethane part is got. That is root word namukku getti. Okay, suffix adangiyittulla root word namukku getti kayinju. Then what is the another step? Alkyl. Here halogen functional group is attached here. Halo group is attached. How many halogen group is attached? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 halogen group is there. That is tetrachloro. Okay, tetrachloro. Tetrachloro. Okay, tetrachloro is the tetrachloroethane. So and then we need to mention the positions. In which are the positions this chlorine is attached? Here this is the first position, this is the first position. So first position 1 chlorine is there. So 1 chlorine is the first position, 1 more chlorine is there. So 1. Okay, then second position 1 chlorine is there. In same second position 1 more chlorine is there. Okay, so the IUPAC name of this compound is 1,1 2,2 tetrachloroethane. 1,1 2,2 tetrachloroethane. Okay, dear children, is it clear now? Okay, then next question, please try to do that. Okay, dear children, please listen this structure formula and write the UPSC name. Okay, try to do that. Okay, first you count the how many carbon is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So but all the bonds is connected with single covalent bond. So A and E. Then next step, two functional group is attached here. One is bromine and another one is chlorine. Okay, one is bromine and another one is chlorine. Okay, so in which position? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So second position bromine is the, third position chlorine is the. Okay, so in alphabetical order B after C is coming. Okay, bromine after chlorine. So first we need to say that bromine. ബ്രോമിൻ ആണ് പറയേണ്ടത്. അപ്പൊ ബ്രോമിൻ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ബി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ് നമ്മുടെ സി സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആൽഫബറ്റിക് ഓർഡറിൽ ABC. ഓക്കെ, നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് പറയേണ്ടത് ആരെയാണ്? ബ്രോമിനെയാണ്. പിന്നെയാണ് ക്ലോറിൻ പറയേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹിയർ ഡിഫറെന്റ് പൊസിഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷനും ഉണ്ട്, തേർഡ് പൊസിഷൻ ആണ്. ബട്ട് ഡിഫറെന്റ് പൊസിഷനിൽ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഹാലോജൻസ് ആണ് അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ 2 ബ്രോമോ 3 ക്ലോറോ ബ്യൂട്ടേൻ. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞത് സെയിം ആണ്, ക്ലോറിൻ തന്നെയാണ് എല്ലാത്തിലും അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. എന്നാൽ ഇതിലെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഒന്ന് ബ്രോമിൻ ആണ്, ഒന്ന് ക്ലോറിൻ ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഡിഫറെന്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള എലമെന്റ്സ് ആണ്. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ ആൽഫബറ്റിക്കൽ ഓർഡർ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കണം. സോ സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷനിൽ ബ്രോമിൻ ആണ്. സോ 2 ബ്രോമോ. തേർഡ് പൊസിഷൻ 3 ക്ലോറോ വേർഡ് റൂട്ട്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റൂട്ട് വേർഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ബ്യൂട്ട് ആണ്, ബ്യൂട്ടേൻ. ഓക്കെ, സോ 2 ബ്രോമോ 3 ക്ലോറോ ബ്യൂട്ടേൻ. Is it clear no? Okay, next question we can do. Next question, please you do 1,2 dichloroethane. 1,2 dichloroethane. Okay, 1,2 dichloroethane. So how many carbon? 2 carbon. So 1, 2. Okay, all the bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first position 2 chlorine is there. Okay, dichloro 2 chlorine is there. So which are the position? First position and second position. So first position 1 chlorine is there. Second position also 1 chlorine is there. All other bonds is connected with hydrogen. Okay, this is 1,2 dichloroethane. Okay, then next question, but2ene. 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 Okay, how many carbon? 4 carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, position, second position. Okay, second position. So 1, 2 നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ എഴുതാം. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിലും 1, 2 ഇവിടെ ആയിരിക്കും സെയിം നമ്മൾ വരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ അതർ ബോണ്ട്സ് ഇസ് കണക്റ്റഡ് വിത്ത് സിംഗിൾ കോവാലന്റ് ബോണ്ട്. സോ 1, 2, 3, 4 ദിസ് കാർബൺ, 1, 2, 3, 4 this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, condensed formula CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3. Okay, this is butene. Okay, dear children, is it clear now? Butene. Then next question, 3-methyl pent2ene. 3-methyl pent2ene. Okay, so root word, what is that? Pent2ene. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In second position 2 is there, that is a second position. Ene is there. Second position ആരുണ്ട്? ഡബിൾ ബോണ്ട് ഈസ് there. അപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ഫങ്ഷണൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മെയിൻ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഈൻ ആണ്. അതെവിടെ ആയിരിക്കണം? സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷനിലായിരിക്കണം. സോ 1, 2 സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷനിൽ ഡബിൾ ബോണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്നാണ് എഴുതുന്നതെങ്കിൽ സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷൻ 1, 2. Okay, all other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Okay, so CH3. And one more thing is there. Dear children, wait. 3 methyl is there. Okay, 1 2. Third position la ആരുണ്ടെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു? Methyl group CH3 is there. Okay, in third position which group is there? Methyl group is there. Methyl group is there. Okay, so you can draw here or downward, you can put that, no problem. Okay, so the condenser formula CH3 CH double bond C. Here or down you can write CH3 CH2 single bond CH3. This is the condenser formula of 3-methyl pent-2-ene. If they ask a 4-methyl means here you can draw the hydrogen. Okay, if I ask a 4-methyl means 1 2 3 4, fourth position 1 CH3 will come. Okay, so here will change, will come CH CH3 ഇങ്ങനെ വരും. Okay, മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ? അപ്പോൾ പൊസിഷൻ അനുസരിച്ച് നമ്മൾ അവിടെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം. 4-methyl pent-2-ene ആണെങ്കിൽ. ഓക്കെ, ക്ലിയർ നോ? ഇനി അഥവാ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടുന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ സെയിം ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ 4-methyl pent-2-ene. സോ 1 2 3 4 5 നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്താൽ കൊള്ളാം എന്നുള്ളവര് 1 2 സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷനിൽ വരച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു കാര്യം ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, സ്ട്രക്ചറൽ ഫോർമുല വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ മാത്രമാണ് നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ നമ്മുടെ ഇഷ്ടത്തിനനുസരിച്ച് പൊസിഷൻ മറ്റ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ സ്ട്രക്ചർ തന്നിട്ട് IUPAC നെയും എഴുതാനാണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്കിത് സാധിക്കില്ല കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, സോ 1 2 സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷൻ, ദെൻ ഫോർത്ത് പൊസിഷൻ മീഥൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്. സോ 1 2 3 4. Fourth position CH3 group is there. Okay, all other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. Okay, clear? No? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, this way will come the structure of 4-methyl pent-2-ene. Both are correct. Okay. Then next question we can do. Next question, what is that? But-2-ine. Okay, but-2-yne. But-2-yne. So but, how many carbon? 1 2 3 4. Second position yne. Yne means triple bond. So 1 2 triple bond. Okay, so third position second position triple bond is there. So 1 2 3 4. This carbon 1 2 3 4. This carbon 1 2 3 4. Okay, this carbon 1 2 3 4. This is but-2-ine. If I ask but-1-ine, okay, but-1-ine CH3. Okay, but-1-ine, sorry, 1 2 3 4. Okay, but-1-ine. But-1-ine. First position in a triple bond. All other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 already is there. 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is but-1-ine. If I ask a but-3-ine, okay, that is not a but-3-ine, we can't do that. Okay, hexane loke varumboഴാണ് but-3-ine ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ. So but-1-ine. Okay, dear children, that is clear, no? Then next one, what is that? 2,3-dimethyl heptane. Okay, what is the question? 2,3-dimethyl heptane. Okay, heptane, how many carbon? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One that is second position. Third position, how many carbon methyl group is there? Dimethyl. So in that combo totally 2 methyl group is the position second and third. Okay, so from this side or that side you can count, no problem. Okay, so first position, second position 1 methyl group, third position also 1 methyl group. All other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the structure formula of 2,3-dimethyl heptane. Otherwise you can draw this here, second position here you can 1 methyl group, here 1 methyl group you can attach, no problem. Okay, dear children, is it clear? No? Okay, then ethanol. Next question, ethanol. Ethanol functional group. Okay, ethanol. Ethanol. All. Which functional group? OH. Which functional group is that? OH. Ethanol. Which functional group? OH. How many carbon? 2 carbon. So 1, 2. All the ethane means all the bonds is connected with single covalent bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it is connected with OH. Ethanol. This is the structural formula of ethanol. CH3, CH2OH. Okay, CH3, CH2OH. This is ethanol, or we can write C2H5OH. Okay, or we can write C2H5OH. This is ethanol. So how we can write that? Propanol. Propanol, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3. One is connected with OH. All other bonds is connected with single covalent bond. Okay, so the structure formula CH3, CH2, CH2OH. This is propanol. Okay, propanol. Okay, clear? No? I hope it is clear. Propanol, butanol, like that. Okay, children, if I ask a propan to all. Propan to all. Okay, if I ask a propan to all, how many carbon? 3 carbon. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, to all means OH group is attached in which position? Second position. Okay, OH. Here or upside you can write. Okay, other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. Okay, so this is the structure formula for propan to all. Okay, propan to all. Okay, if I ask a butan to all, butan to all, butan to all. Okay, how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position, OH group. Okay, second position, OH group. All other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. Okay, with a hydrogen needed to mention. Okay, otherwise you won't get the mark, dear children. Okay, so this is the butan to all. Let's write the IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name. So functional group, which one is the functional group? OH, that is all alcohol. So we can count from this side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so functional group attach ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നതിന്റെ അടുത്ത് നിന്നായിരിക്കണം നമ്മൾ കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, അതിന്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റിലും റൈറ്റിലും നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യണം. ലെസ് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് കാർബൺ. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് ഒന്നുമില്ല, സോ നമുക്ക് അവിടെ നിന്ന് തന്നെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. സോ 1. Okay, dear children, 1, 2. Okay, so functional group, another alkyl group is attached here. So in which position? Second position. So 2. Which alkyl group is attached to methyl? So methyl. 2 methyl. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3. Propan. Position of to oil. All. Okay, first position. So propan 1 all. Okay, 2 methyl propan 1 all. Okay, so IUPAC name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. Propan. Here no, there is no functional group. It is attached to propan plus 1 all. So 1 all. Okay, propan 1 all. Propanol. Here how many carbon? 1 carbon. So methane 1 all. Okay, methane 1 all. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? This is the functional group, main functional group. Okay, OH. And so we can start counting from here onwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here methyl group attached. Here chloro group is attached. Chloro and methyl. In alphabetic order, which one is first? Chlorine. Okay, C കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടല്ലേ M വരുന്നത്. So then chloro. So in position of chloro 3. So 3 chloro. Okay, 3 chloro. 2 methyl. 3 chloro. 2 methyl. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butan. Position of OH 1 all. 3 chloro. 2 methyl. Butan 1 ol. Next, write the IUPAC name of this compounds. So first one CH3, CBr double bond CH, CH3, CH3. Okay, dear children, so here double bond is present. So we can count from left side and right side. How many carbon is there? So 1, 2. 2 carbon is there. Here 1, 2, 3 carbon is there. So which is side less number of carbon? This side. So we can start from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then, so which one is the root word? This one. Pentene. Okay. Pend-ene. So pend, double bond is there. So in which position? That 2 second ene is there, second position. So pend to ene. This is the root word. Okay. Pend to ene. Then functional group is there, alkyl group is there, and functional group is there. That is bromine is there, methyl is there. Bromine start with a B. Methyl, okay, start with a M. So in alphabetic order, which one is the first one? Bromine. So we can write the name 2-bromo. Okay, 2-bromo, 2-bromo. Then fourth position, methyl group. So 4-methyl. Okay, 4-methyl pend-to-ene. Okay, 2-bromo, 4-methyl pend-to-ene. Okay, then next question, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Functional group is there. All OH group is there. Okay, so we can start from this side onwards. Okay, so 1, 2. Second position. Which are the elements? Is the functional group is there, chlorine is there, and methyl is there. So chlorine start with a C, methyl is start with a M. Okay, so which one? I will say first chloro. Okay, so 2-chloro. Okay, same position, that is 2 second position. Methyl group is there, 2-methyl. Okay, 2-chloro, 2-methyl. How many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. Butane. First position, which group is there? Which functional groups? OH group, that is all group is 1-ol. Okay, so butane 1-ol. 2-chloro, 2-methyl, butane 1-ol. Okay, so 2-chloro, 2-methyl, butane 1-ol. Okay, so next question. OH group is attached here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ഇപ്പൊ നമുക്ക് OH ഗ്രൂപ്പ് അറ്റാച്ച് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ലെഫ്റ്റ് നിന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഓക്കെ, റൈറ്റിൽ തന്നെ. സോ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. സോ ദെൻ 5 is that is pentan. ഓക്കെ, സോ പെൻഡാൻ നമുക്ക് ഒന്നെങ്കിൽ റൂട്ട് വേർഡിൽ നിന്ന് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം, അതല്ല ഫങ്ഷണൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം, ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് പൊസിഷനിൽ ഈഥൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഈസ് ദ ഫോർത്ത് പൊസിഷനിൽ 2-methyl group is there. Okay, 2-methyl group means that we can call it dimethyl. Okay, so E ano first alphabetic order methano, that is ethyl group. No, so 2 second positional ethyl group is there. So 2-ethyl. Fourth positional 1-methyl group is there. In that same position, one more methyl group is there. So 4,4. Okay, same position ആണ്, same ഗ്രൂപ്പുകളാണ്. Okay, so 4,4 dimethyl. Okay, dimethyl. How many carbon? 5 carbon. So pentan. First position, which group is there? All group is there. So 1-ol. Okay, 1-ol. So 2-ethyl, 4, 1-methyl is there, another methyl. So 4,4 dimethyl pentan 1-ol. If first position, fourth position ഒരു ക്ലോറിനും ഒരു മീഥൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളവിടെ 4-chloro, 4-methyl എന്ന് എഴുതണം. എന്നാൽ ഇവിടെ രണ്ടും സെയിം മീഥൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ആയതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ 4,4 dimethyl pentan 1-ol എന്ന് എഴുതിയത്. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, നമുക്ക് ഇവിടുന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടുന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ബോത്ത് ആർ സെയിം. ഓക്കെ, സോ 1 2 3 4 5. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഹൗ മെനി കാർബൺ? 5 കാർബൺ. സോ പെന്റാൻ. ഇനിയുള്ളത് എന്താണ്? 2 ആൾഡിഹൈഡ് ഗ്രൂപ്പുകളാണ്, CHO ഗ്രൂപ്പുകളാണുള്ളത്. ആൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്, ആൽ. ഓക്കെ, സോ പൊസിഷൻ എവിടെയാണ്? ഒന്ന് ഫസ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിലും സെക്കൻഡ് ഫിഫ്ത്ത് പൊസിഷനിലും ആണ് ആരുള്ളത്? ആൾ ഉള്ളത്. ഹൗ മെനി ആൾ ഈസ് ദർ? 2 ആൾ ഈസ് ദർ. സോ ഡൈ ആൾ. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് പെന്റാൻ 1,5 ഡൈ ആൾ. ഓക്കെ, പെന്റാൻ 1,5 ഡൈ ആൾ. Is it clear now? Next question. Functional group is all is the CHO. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, dear children, so fifth positional which group is the methyl group is there. So first, how many methyl group is there? 2 methyl group is there, that is in the same position. So 5,5. രണ്ടും ഉള്ളത് എവിടെ തന്നെയാണ്? ഫിഫ്ത്ത് പൊസിഷനിൽ തന്നെ. സോ 5,5 ഡൈമീഥൈൽ. ഓക്കെ, ഡൈമീഥൈൽ. ടോട്ടലി ഹൗ മെനി കാർബൺ? 6 കാർബൺ. സോ ഹെക്സാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിൽ. ഓൾ ഹെക്സാൻ 1 ഓൾ. ഹെക്സാൻ 1 ഓൾ. സോ 5,5 ഡൈമീഥൈൽ ഹെക്സാൻ 1 ഓൾ. ഫസ്റ്റ് പൊസിഷനിലാണ് ഓൾ ഉള്ളത്. സ്ട്രക്ചർ വരയ്ക്കാനാണ്. 4 methyl pentan 1 oic acid. Pentan 1 oic acid. Underline. Pentan 1 oic acid means how many carbon? 5 carbon. So 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 first position il oic acid. So COOH. Okay, this is the first one. Oic acid is COOH. Okay, COOH. All other bonds is connected with a single covalent bond. So 1 2 3 4. Fourth position lalundu CH3 group undu. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So all other bonds is connected with hydrogen. Okay, so that is CH3 CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. That is first position oic acid pentan. So 1 2 3 4. Fourth position methyl group. So 4 methyl pentan 1 oic acid. Okay, dear children, I hope all of you clear this section. Try to find out your exercise 12A. Okay, 12A exercise. Please do try to find out and send to me. Okay, take care. Bye. See you.